Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube mini failure not showing or not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Go to apps. Click on manage apps. Search YouTube application. Click on YouTube application. Tap on storage. Click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data on YouTube application. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your YouTube application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device. Again open your YouTube application. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube mini failure not showing or not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.